Hi. So money, success, wish fulfillment, karma, doing the things that you want to do, promotion, suggestions for people whose ascendant is Aquarius or whose lagna is Kumbh. This video is for those people whose lagna is Kumbh or whose ascendant is Aquarius. So what do they need to do? What Astro Vastu remedies they need to do? Hello, my name is Parag Avasthi and I am an Astro Vastu Acharya. So let's start for Aquarius. So in southeast direction, they need to put books which are related to research. Any subject they are into and anything they are doing. So when they do more research into it, southeast is a direction where they should put their book related to research. And northeast is a direction for keeping their spiritual books or books which are related to higher knowledge, higher skills. Like for example, they might be doing any business or they might be doing any job. So when they want to go to the next level, these books, these study books which will take them to the next level of expertise should be kept in northeast for people whose lagna is Kumbh. And in southwest, what they need to do is they need to prepare a vision board of what they want to do in their life, what skills they want to achieve in their life. And they need to put that vision board in exact southwest of their house or their office or their factory. Now, as we have discussed in previous videos, again, same thing, like whatever we hear, whatever we speak or whatever we see has impressions on us. They leave a frequency on us. They leave us with that frequency, right? So we have given a lot of examples, and in this video also I'll give an example. Like for example, if you remember a very good friend of yours, a friend whom you really like, who always supports you. If you hear his name, if you see his photograph, if you see some people talking about him, then you will have different energy. And if you hear about someone whom you don't like, who always creates problems for you in your life, if you see his photograph, if you hear his name, if you meet him somewhere, you will not like it, right? Your energy goes down. You don't want to see that person because he's given you a lot of trouble. So whatever you see, hear, speak, even that name will create an impression. So for people whose ascendant is Aquarius, they need to keep a wallpaper because mobile is the one where you keep on seeing your wallpaper again and again. So the moment you see those kind of photographs, your frequencies will change to good or to bad. So yellow colored piggy bank. Yellow colored piggy bank. This is the photograph which you need to keep as a mobile screensaver or wallpaper. And you may want to also keep higher knowledge books. Any higher knowledge books related to your subject. When you keep a photograph of that in your mobile phone, it will activate your wish fulfillment and your success. And the words to be used for people whose lagna is Aquarius is knowledge, higher knowledge. Like we have done higher knowledge in whatever we are doing, or wisdom. Our approach is always with wisdom. When you use those words, you rise to those frequencies and you see an impact in the other person. In the next video, we are going to talk about all these things, but for ascendant Pisces.